Hi, John Wells here. Today's videopad 5-minute Friday tip is going to be all about making your film look all grainy like some old footage from years and years ago. There's two ways to do it. Number one, you can invent a time machine, go back in time to the 60s or 70s, buy some old film camera, do some film, take it to the chemist, get it developed, go and collect it back. They'll give it to you in a nice little round box or a tin. You can then throw it in the attic for, I don't know, 45, 50 years, dig it back out, find somebody that will then convert this to a digital format and put it back up on YouTube. I'm going to go for the second option, which is quite simply to go into my video editor, which happens to be videopad. I'm sure you can do it with any video editor at all. Find a special kind of effect there, click that button and you'll get this effect, which is pretty cool. I'll show you how to do that. Unfortunately, it's going to be a lot less than 5 minutes. It's going to take me about a minute to show you how to do that. So on top of that, I'm also going to show you another effect that I often use, and that is when I'm out and about, if it's a little bit miserable and a bit grainy, I'll do a color correction on it. I'll show you how to do that. That takes seconds as well. So one moment it looks like it does now, and then the next minute it should be a lot brighter, just like that. So let's head back to the editor and do some editing. Oh, don't forget, anything you've enjoyed about it, thumbs up please, or better still, you could subscribe, click the notification bell, you'll get all of my up and coming videos. So as I said, let's get back to the editor and show you how this is done. I'll try and keep it within 5 minutes, maybe. Okay, videopad is open and here's my raw footage. I'm going to drag that down into the timeline and I'm going to get rid of the bit of footage at the front that I didn't need, because I got my lines wrong the first time round and walked off and did it a second time. Somewhere around there. Split. I discard the front bit of film. Right click, close gap in track. Move my video bar back to the start. Click on the video and then it opens up as a clip preview. Come up here and enlarge your clip preview pane so you can see what you're doing. Right, come back down to your video track footage, not the audio. Click on the FX box. And here comes our effects. Click on plus. Scroll down and under artistic, there we are, artistic. Down here you'll find old film. Click on that. It gives you your old film effect and a few things that are added onto it. Shake, flicker, spots, lines, black and white. What I did was I unclicked all of those, because if you notice the film started as normal and then slowly went to flicker. So I just hit the play button, advanced it a bit, stop, come up here, then you press add keyframe. Then I came over and I clicked the enable box and shake, which is underneath that. Come back to my keyframe, click that. Advance the film a little bit more, stopped it, came back, hit the add keyframe, click that one. Then I came back and I added some flicker and spots. I came back and hit keyframe again. This is out of habit because sometimes it doesn't do it, so I double click it if you like. Go forward a bit, sat down, stopped it, came back. Again, click keyframe, came down, added lines, and I've left black and white unchecked. Come back up, click keyframe, and that's it. So the rest of the film now would be in oldie worldy look. Simple as that. That's how you do that one. Let me close that down, and close that down. Oh, let me close down the old video footage because that continues unless you were to cut the film. Now I'm going to find the other bit with the color correction. Let's see, let's play this and find out where I am. All about making your film look all grainy like some old footage from years and years ago. There's two ways to do it. Let me go a bit forward there. Subscribe. Too far. There we go. This is when I'm doing the color correction. Once again, click on there. It now opens up as a clip preview. I'm going to enlarge that. And I should have made a cut there. So I'm hoping this doesn't run over 5 minutes. Let's try this again. Go back a little bit.
I'll do a color correction on it.
Color correction on it. This is where I'm going to do a cut of my film. And now in this section, I'm going to click on that. It now opens up as a clip preview. And unlock the preview pane. Come down to the clip that you're going to do the effect on. Click on the FX. Come back to your plus box. And drop down. And here, normally I would use my auto correct levels. But on this occasion, it was already too dark to do that. So I use this color curve. Click on that. And then what happens is, if you stay in this upper quadrant here, above halfway on this diagonal line, grab hold of the diagonal line and put it a little bit to the left. And as you can see, click that. What that does, you go to the brightness that you want or the darkness that you want just by moving that line. So if I close that, and now if I was to open up the film like that, take our play button back a little bit before, hit the play button.
So on top of that, I'm also going to show you another effect that I often use, and that is when I'm out and about, it's a little bit invisible and a bit grainy, I'll do a colour correction on it.
And there we go, you can see me getting brighter there.
So one moment it looks like it does now, and then the next minute should be a lot brighter.
I overshot that, but you can see the difference there. Dark light, dark light. It's that easy, it really is. So I'm hoping I've kept this within 5 minutes. Again, anything you've enjoyed, thumbs up, or better still, subscribe, click the notification bell, get all of my up and coming videos. To my next video, next Friday I hope. Bye for now.